Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of hair care, exploring natural remedies for stronger, healthier hair. Achieving luscious locks doesn't have to mean expensive treatments or harsh chemicals that can irritate your scalp or damage your hair follicles. Natural remedies offer effective and affordable solutions to boost hair health from root to tip, and I'm excited to share some of my favorites with you today. Let's start with a true multitasker: coconut oil. This pantry staple isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for hair health. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, a fatty acid that can penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and preventing breakage. Before shampooing, try applying a generous amount of coconut oil to your hair, focusing on the ends. Gently massage it into your scalp to stimulate blood flow and promote a healthy scalp environment. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Then, shampoo and condition as usual. You'll be amazed by how soft and manageable your hair feels. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing properties, especially for sunburns, but did you know it's also incredibly beneficial for your scalp? Aloe vera contains enzymes that can help break down dead skin cells and excess oil, promoting a healthy scalp. It's also incredibly hydrating and can help to soothe an itchy or irritated scalp. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, or look for shampoos and conditioners that list aloe vera as an ingredient. For a DIY treatment, mix equal parts aloe vera gel and coconut oil and apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. If you're looking to boost hair growth, castor oil is your go-to. This thick oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is believed to increase blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Castor oil is also a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your hair hydrated and less prone to breakage. Because it's so thick, it's best to mix castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut oil or olive oil before applying it to your hair. Massage it into your scalp and hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. For best results, use castor oil treatments once or twice a week. DIY hair mask magic. Sometimes the best hair treatments are the ones you make at home with simple ingredients. Not only are they cost-effective, but they also allow you to know exactly what you're putting on your hair. No hidden chemicals, just pure, natural goodness. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for strong, healthy hair. The protein in eggs helps to repair damaged hair strands and promote hair growth. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals in eggs, such as biotin and sulfur, contribute to hair strength and shine. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which can help to cleanse the scalp and add shine to your hair. The probiotics in yogurt also help to maintain a healthy scalp environment, which is crucial for hair growth. Plus, the creamy texture of yogurt makes it easy to apply and ensures that every strand is coated. And honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to your hair and keeping it hydrated. Its antibacterial properties also help to keep the scalp healthy and free from infections. Honey adds a natural shine to your hair, making it look glossy and vibrant. For a simple DIY hair mask, whisk together 1 egg, half a cup of plain yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of honey. This combination provides a balanced mix of protein, moisture, and nutrients that your hair needs to stay healthy and strong. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. The mid-lengths and ends of your hair are usually the most damaged and dry, so they will benefit the most from this nourishing mask. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water. The shower cap helps to trap heat, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft. Rinsing with cool water helps to seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and shine. Use this mask once a week for noticeably softer and shinier hair. Regular use of this mask can help to repair damage, prevent breakage, and promote overall hair health. Your hair will feel softer, look shinier, and be more manageable. Plus, you'll enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you made it yourself with simple, natural ingredients. Nourishing from within, the power of diet. True hair health starts from within. It's not just about the products you apply externally, but also about what you nourish your body with internally. The foods you consume play a pivotal role in the health and vitality of your hair, Just like any other part of your body, your hair needs a balanced diet to thrive. A diet rich in essential nutrients can make a significant difference in the strength, shine, and growth of your hair. Make sure you're incorporating plenty of protein into your diet, as hair is primarily made up of protein. Without adequate protein, your hair can become weak and brittle. Lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils are all excellent sources of protein. These foods not only provide the necessary building blocks for hair growth but also contribute to overall health. Biotin is a B vitamin that's essential for hair growth. It helps to strengthen hair and nails, and a deficiency in biotin can lead to hair thinning and loss. You can find biotin in foods like eggs, nuts, and sweet potatoes. Including these in your diet can help ensure you get enough biotin to support healthy hair growth. Zinc is another important nutrient for hair growth and repair. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the oil glands around the hair follicles, which helps to keep your scalp healthy. Include zinc-rich foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas in your diet. These foods can help to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth by ensuring your body has enough zinc. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for scalp health and can help to prevent hair loss. They provide essential oils that keep your scalp hydrated and reduce inflammation, which can affect hair growth. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines into your diet. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for both your hair and overall health. Or consider taking an omega-3 supplement. Supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough of these essential nutrients, especially if you don't consume enough through your diet. Natural techniques for happy hair. Beyond the ingredients we use, the way we treat our hair plays a huge role in its health. It's not just about the products we apply, but also about the daily habits we adopt. Healthy hair care starts with understanding the needs of your hair type and being mindful of how you handle it every day. Avoid using heat styling tools on a daily basis, as excessive heat can damage your hair and lead to breakage. Tools like flat irons, curling wands, and hair dryers can strip your hair of its natural moisture, making it brittle and prone to split ends. If you must use these tools, try to limit their use to special occasions or important events. When you do use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. This creates a barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing the risk of damage. Look for products that contain ingredients like argan oil or keratin, which can help to nourish and protect your hair while you style it. Be gentle when brushing your hair, especially when it's wet, as wet hair is more prone to breakage. Wet hair is in its most fragile state, so it's important to handle it with care. Instead of using a regular brush, opt for a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush designed specifically for wet hair. Use a wide-tooth comb and start brushing from the ends, working your way up to the roots. This method helps to gently remove tangles without causing unnecessary stress or breakage. By starting at the ends and gradually moving up, you can work through knots more easily and prevent damage to your hair. Protect your hair from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing a hat when you're spending time outdoors. Just like your skin, your hair can be damaged by prolonged exposure to the sun. UV rays can weaken the hair shaft, leading to dryness, discoloration, and split ends. A wide-brimmed hat or a scarf can provide excellent protection. Just like your skin, your hair can be damaged by the sun. Over time, sun exposure can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Consider using hair products that contain UV filters to provide an extra layer of protection against the sun's rays. Massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow and promote a healthy scalp environment. Scalp massages can help to increase circulation, which in turn can encourage hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. You can do this as part of your daily routine or as a relaxing treat at the end of a long day. You can do this with your fingertips or use a scalp massager. Scalp massagers are designed to mimic the effects of a professional massage, providing a soothing and invigorating experience. Whether you use your hands or a tool, regular scalp massages can help to keep your hair healthy and strong. Embrace natural hair care. So there you have it. Simple yet effective natural remedies and techniques to achieve healthier, stronger hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. Incorporate these natural solutions into your routine, and you'll start to see a noticeable difference in your hair's health and appearance. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and natural beauty solutions. See you in my next video.